By creating scenes, you connect various settings for lights, blinds and room temperature to one command that can be controlled by a switch or the app. The following video will show you how to create, edit or delete a new scene. How do I create a personalized scene? Log in configuration mode. Go to Devices, Scenes and Groups and select the floor you want to add the scene to. Click on the blue plus at the bottom right. All components are now displayed in the right column. Choose Scene from the Scenes Groups section and drag and drop it to the floor. You can now name your scene in the pop-up menu. We will name it TV in this example and choose the TV icon. Click on Create to set up the scene. The scene is now blue and only connectable devices are still visible on the floor plan. We want to control lights, room temperature and blinds with our TV scene. By clicking on the devices, we connect them to the scene. Blue lines between the scene and the devices show the connections. Save the adjustments and select the scene on the floor plan again. Now all connected devices are displayed in the right column. We have to define the different settings for the devices. The dimmable light should be dimmed to 25%. The non-dimmable light should switch off. The blinds should close and room temperature should be at 20° target temperature. Don't forget to save your settings. The TV scene is now available for control via smartphone, tablet and computer. How can an existing scene be changed? You can adjust the scene anytime by changing the settings, adding new devices or remove them. Click on the scene, components are displayed in the right column. You can change the name of the scene, set the dimmable light to 15%, leave the blinds open, and setting the room temperature controller to Eco mode, for example. To add or remove devices from the scene, go to the floor plan, click on the scene, connections are shown by the blue lines, then click on the device you want to add or remove. Your changes are visible by the changing lines and don't forget to save your changes. You can delete the entire scene by clicking on the bin at the upper right corner of the column. How can an automatic scene be created? Just drag and drop the automatic scene from Scenes Group section to the floor plan. There are 4 different scene types. The panic scene, which switches all lights on, the all-off scene, which switches all lights off, the all blinds open and the all blinds closed scene. Choose the type, give it a name and the desired icon and scope. Click on Create and the scene is available on your smartphone, tablet and computer.